You're listening to Only in Seattle.
One of the funny things about you've owned 3 bars, is that you don't really drink.
No, I've learned to get more, like, I actually never had a drink of alcohol till I was like 40 years old. And
that's crazy.
Which is nice, though, because I have the liver of like an 11-year-old. I mean, it's super functional. So it's created some opportunity for me where I think I'm able to function at a much better level if I'm drinking than perhaps some other people are. But yeah, right. I grew up in a very... I don't know. I did enough stupid things stone cold sober that I didn't really feel like I needed alcohol to really help me along the way.
On top and let's see how this goes.
Right, exactly.
Like the rest of us.
That not really the way it went. I mean, and my kids all go to very conservative colleges where they can't drink or drive. But anyway, well, they can all drive pretty well. Yeah, but anyway,
and that's actually a question further down in the podcast.
Oh, okay. I'll stay away from that right now then.
Yeah.
But anyway, the point is, got into it, and it was really fun to just dig into and do the work that needed to be done to change what was going on in the bar. Yep. It's a lot different working in that environment than it is with a mortgage environment. I mean, obviously, you're probably my favorite thing about being in the bar business is it's much more like driving a jet ski, where like when you're running a mortgage company, it's like you're on an aircraft carrier. So like, you take the loan application in. I don't know how this process has sped up over the last 5 or 6 years,
but
the
same.
It's about, so like you're spending all of this money for all of these employees that are in place. You've got all of your staff, you've got all of your producers, and they take an application. Maybe it's 30 days till the application closes, and then you take the loan on the backside. You hope within 30 days you've cleared your warehouse lines and you're not paying interest on the thing anymore, and you've sold it. Sometimes it goes longer. You're looking at, like, in best case scenario, you're 60 days from getting paid for work that's going on today, and that takes a significant amount of effort. You've got hundreds of employees that are in place with all of the different details that go into making sure that all of their lives are working the right way so that they can be productive for you. You spend a lot of time just managing a lot of things. And again, the zeros after the numbers are a little bit more significant than what I'm doing in the bar ownership. But like, I go into the bar in the morning and I'm like, oh, here's how we did last night. Here's the sales. Here's what I could try next week on this day, and maybe it'll work better.
It's more of, and because of a lot of it's cash or it's credit card,
right.
It's not, this is closing in 30, 60, 90 days.
Right.
It's immediate numbers that you can evaluate, and you're always really good at that. Because I'll call you and say, Dan, what are you doing? And you're like, I'm counting cash at the Savage Moose.
Right.
I'm counting cash at the Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video is out.